Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. It's been raining here in Charleston for the last couple of days, so it's very hard for me to get my power tools outside so I could build you my next project. So today's video is going to be strictly arts and crafts, and if you follow me on Instagram, you've seen me post something about this before. I used to do this way before I did that, so I'm going to show you how to assemble this absolutely gorgeous large paper rose right here. So with that said, let's get started. All right, everyone, here it is. I hope you enjoyed that. This was a very fun flower to put together, and as you saw, I did a few of the sets all together, and then I started gluing the leaves or the petals individually to get that more rounded look, and I was able to control where my petals went. Everybody does it differently. This is how I do it, and I think it turned out perfect. So I hope you really enjoyed that. And so if you did, please hit that thumbs up button. If you are new to the channel, please subscribe if you haven't already. And also, please definitely go check out Ann Neville's website that I have in the link below. You can get all of her patterns there. She has a ton of flowers you can choose from. Daria is the owner, and she is an absolutely wonderful person. So definitely go check them out if you're interested in making paper flowers. And with that said, thank you very much for being here. Again, thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, hit the notification bell, and I hope everyone has a fantastic day.